Hello students, today we are going to start the new lesson and the lesson aim is lesson number 9 Upakara Hatastu Kartavyah means Upakara Hatastu means that an enemy should be killed by the obligation means जो उपकार है उसको मार देना चाहिए means the person who is enemy that we have to give obligation to them. Now lesson number 9 Upakara Hatastu Kartavyah. Before starting the lesson the summary is given that we will see first. So here the writer is Shudraka. So the writer name is Shudraka and Shudrak is written the Muchkatikam. So Muchkatikam is the name of book and here it is a very famous poet in the Sanskrit literature. Now the theme is based on the ordinary people in our society. Means as we all are ordinary people in our society. So the theme is in this lesson is like this. As a protagonist we have Charudatta who was a once wealthy person but now he is a poor means the hero of this lesson is a Charudatta means earlier he was wealth but now he is poor and the heroine is a rich courtesan means जो गणिका बोलते हैं हम वो है but वो एकदम rich है. Vasant Sena and the name is Vasant Sena. So here the story is of Charudatta and Vasant Sena and it is taken from Muchkatikam and the writer is a Shudra. So the imaginative portrayal means जो यहाँ पे imagination है वो दिखाई गई है. Here that Muchkatikam वो जो है वो 10x है इसके अंदर. Now here Shakara the brother-in-law of the king. तो Shakar is the brother-in-law. उसका जो king है उसका brother-in-law है वो. Brother kills the Vasant Sena by suffocating her. मतलब उसको उसका गला दबा के उसने मारने का ट्राई किया था उसको मार दिया था. But for crime committed by him Shakara puts the blame on Charudatta. Means Shakara has did this but she blamed this thing to Charudatta. Charudatta is a sentenced to death. मतलब उसको जो है वो फांसी की सजा सुनाते हैं. Why? Because काम जो है वो शकार ने किया है but उसने blame Charudatta पे डाल दिया. So fortunately the Vasant Sena is live. Means fortunately that afterwards Vasant Sena जो है वो जिंदा थी and by coincidentally the change of kingship मतलब जो राजा है वो भी change हो गए and then afterwards that Shakar also comes to light that who will kill means the Charudatta did not kill the Vasant Sena मतलब afterwards जो है वो पता चला कि हाँ चारुदत्त जो है उसने नहीं मारा है वसंत सेना को and the Shakar is the original killer. So वो सब कुछ भी बाहर आता है. Now and then after decided to give punishment means Shakar is now a ordinary person in the society. मतलब वो अभी king का brother in law ना रह के एक ordinary people हो गया है. So now the people give punishment to the Shakar and which is punishment is given. So that dialogues, that conversation it is given over here. So here in edited and presented here. Now here in the moral of this that when the feeling of revenge toward the person means the bad person who is a revenge for this but the good person they are not like this. वो जो है वो कभी भी जो रिवेंज लेने में नहीं विश्वास रखता है. And here the dialogue is like this feeling of a pardon and helpfulness मतलब उसको क्षमा कर देना और हेल्प जो है वो करना वैसे यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया गया है कि उसने कितना भी गलत किया हो देन ऑल्सो उसके साथ वो हमेशा अच्छा ही करता है. So now here the Charudatta and that Vasant Sena they have to love each other. So that's why the presented act is given. So now the person who has harmed him earlier then also that he is feeling of pardon and helpfulness, and the moral of that we can get from this dialogue. So यहाँ पे जितने भी डायलॉग दिए गए तो ये हम मोरल सीखेंगे. नाउ ये जो है लेसन वो एकदम एक्ट के जैसे. नाउ दैट व्हेन वी आर परफॉर्मिंग ड्रामा ऑन द स्टेज like this it is given. So here everything is written, that curtain is also there, dialogues means the who is speaking dialogues, that name is also there, everything is given over here, look like a drama. So now nepathya means curtain. So here the word first nepathya. Nepathya means curtain. So behind the curtain the voice is coming. Arey Rashtriya Shalakah. Rashtriya Shalakah means brother-in-law of king. So here the word Rashtriya Shalakah. Rashtriya Shalakah, brother-in-law of king. Brother-in-law of king. Ehi, come on. Swasya avinayasya phalam anubhava. Avinayasya means crime, जो गुनाह उसने किया है वो. फलम fruits, anubhava experience. Now experience the fruit that which you have already crimed. Means after that behind the curtain the voice is coming like this. Oh king's brother-in-law, that feel the experience, experience fruits which you have did, which you have crimed. Tatah, after pravishati enters. As you all know that when the drama is going on, so someone entered. So at that dialogue is also written in the bracket that someone entered. So it is like this, it is given over here. Tataha pravishati means entered. Purushair adhishtitaha. Purushair adhishtitaha means protected by men. Paschat bahubaddha shakaraha. Paschat bahubaddha means that the with hands is tied and on the back, मतलब उसको लाया जाता है क्योंकि वो बंदी बनाया गया है. So उसके हाथ जो है वैसे जो अपने बैक साइड जो हाथ उसके बंधे हुए हैं ऐसा इंसान शकार. So here the word पुरुषैर अधिष्ठितः. पुरुषैर अधिष्ठितः means protected by men. Protected by men. And the next word paschada. Paschada bahubaddha. Paschada bahubaddha means the with hands tied on back. With hands tied on back means उसके आजू बाजू जो सेनापति है उससे वो प्रोटेक्टेड है. एंड हैंड जो है उसके पीछे बंधे हुए है वैसा शकार. Now shakar is saying दिशा अवलोक्य. अवलोक्य means see the मतलब जो आजू बाजू जो 4 डायरेक्शंस है उसको देख के. समन्ततः means all the sides. समन्ततः means all sides. So here the word समन्ततः all sides. समन्ततः means all side. उपस्थितः present मतलब चारों बाजू उसने देख लिया. एंड प्रेजेंट here एषः राष्ट्रीय बन्धः. राष्ट्रीय बन्धः means that relative of a king. So here the word राष्ट्रीय बन्धः, relative of king. राष्ट्रीय बन्धः, relative of king, relative of king, राष्ट्रीय बन्धः. Now that who is a राष्ट्रीय बन्धः, relative of king, he is looking all the side, all the direction, he is present here. तत्कम इदानीं means now, asharanah sharanam vrajami means the shakar is saying like this, that मैं जो हूँ वो relative of king, that asharanam sharanam, sharanam गतः means asharanam means जिसके पास कोई अभी शेल्टर नहीं है, विदाउट शेल्टर, वैसा मैं आपकी शरण में आया हूँ. व्रजामी, व्रजामी में शुड अप्रोच द प्रोटेक्शन, मुझे जो प्रोटेक्शन है वो प्रदान कीजिए. व्रजामी. विचिन्त्यः, विचिन्त्यः मीन्स थिंकिंग. भवतु तमेव शरण वत्सलं गच्छामि मीन्स यू आर अ शेल्टर, मीन्स यू ओनली टू गिव मी शेल्टर. आप ही है जो दयालु है, जो शरणार्थी आते हैं उसके प्रति आप जो है वो दयालु है. इति उपसृत्यः, इति उपसृत्यः मीन्स अप्रोचिंग टू द चारुदत्त. आर्य चारुदत्त, ओ किंग चारुदत्त. परित्रायस्व, परित्रायस्व मीन्स सकार जो है वो अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करके ये बोल रहा है कि जो मैं अशरणागति हूँ वो आपकी शरण में आया हूँ, आप मुझ पे कृपा कीजिए. एंड परित्रायस्व, परित्रायस्व मीन्स सेव मी, मुझे बचा लो. सो हियर द वर्ड परित्रायस्व मीन्स सेव. परित्रायस्व सेव मीन्स सेव मी मुझे बचा लो. इति पादयो पतति, पतति मीन्स टू फॉल. पादयो मीन्स इन द फीट, पाँव में. तो इति पादयो पतति मीन्स इतना बोल के वो उनके पाँव में पड़ गया. Whenever you are in fault and if you want to take to that person should forgive to you, then you will also do like this. मतलब आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे उसमें ऐसे करते, पाँव में पड़ के माफी मांगते. So here that fell on the at the feet, मतलब उसके पाँव में गिर गया वो. Now नेपथ्ये आर्य चारुदत्त, मुज्जः, मुज्जः मीन्स बिहाइंड द कर्टेन आवाज आ रही है कि आर्य चारुदत्त, ओ चारुदत्त, लीव हिम. मुज्जः, 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 मुज्जः मीन्स लीव हिम. सो हियर द वर्ड मुज्जः, 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 मुज्जः मीन्स लीव हिम. लीव हिम मतलब आप उसको जाने दो, छोड़ दो उसको. डोंट पेइंग अटेंशन टू हिम. व्यापादयाम एनम, व्यापादयान एनम मीन्स लेट्स किल दिस, मतलब उसको मार दो. सो हियर द वर्ड व्यापादयान दयाम एनम. व्यापादयान, व्यापादयाम एनम. Let's kill this. मतलब उसको छोड़ दो, उसको जाने दो. एंड लेट्स किल दिस पर्सन. शकार. Now Shakar is saying again. Shakar is also saying चारुदत्तम प्रति, towards the चारुदत्त. भो अशरणम शरण परित्रायस्व, ओ shelter for shelterless means the person, those who don't have shelter and you are a shelter of that person. Paritrayasva, please save me, please save me. Now Charudatta is saying सानुकंप्य. सानुकंप्य मीन्स उसके प्रति जो पोलाइट नेचर है उसके प्रति दया रख के, पीटी. सो सानुकंप्य, अह, ओ Abhayam, abhayam sharnagatasya. Abhayam means freedom. Abhayam means freedom for the sharnagatasya. Sharnagatasya means the person who is coming for the shelter. मतलब उसका जो है वो अभय हो, freedom. Now freedom हो उसको छोड़ दो. So Sharvilaka. Now the third person entered. Now here Shakar. Then Charudatta. Now the third person Sharvilaka. Sharvilaka is a mantri of Charudatta. Savegam, very angrily. Apaniyatam. Apaniyatam means take away. So the word apaniyatam. Apaniyatam means take away. Take away this person. Ayam means here. चारुदत्त पश्चात नियर चारुदत्त मीन्स चारुदत्त जो है उसके पास से ये इंसान को लेके जाओ. चारुदत्तम प्रति टुवर्ड्स चारुदत्त. ननु उच्यता मीन्स प्लीज टेल. किमस्य पापस्य अनुष्ठीयतामिति मीन्स किमस्य पापम ऑफ दिस सिनर. पापस्य मीन्स जो ये पापी जो है वो. Anushthiyataam iti means should be done. Now that Charudat, the Sarvilak is saying to the Charudat that, oh noble Charudat, please tell what should we do with this sinner. मतलब ये जो पापी है उसके साथ हम क्या करें, उसको क्या सजा दे. So here the word Anushthiyataam iti. Anushthiyataam iti means should be done. Should be done. So what should be done with this person? And now that speaking here, the one shlok is given. Akarshantu subhadraivan swambi sankhadatamatha shuleva tishthitamesha Patyatam prakachenava means, and then after that the Sarvilak is saying that what should we do. So now here in the second part we will see that what will happen that with the Shakar and what the Charudat is decide to give the punishment. I hope that you all have understand the lesson which I have explained it with the help of this all word meaning. That you have to read the whole lesson.